So here I have a nest, right? And you're holding the bird's card. Hummingbird. Whoever is holding the hummingbird, stand up.
Stand up.
Now everybody say it together. Fly, 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 fly like a hummingbird. Fly, fly, even fly, fly, fly like a hummingbird. Very good. Where do hummingbirds live?
Hummingbird
Live.
Hummingbird eats.
Nest. In hummingbird's nest. Very good. And sit down.
And sit
Next
down.
is next is eagle. Stand up, eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. That was very fast. So, where do eagles live?
Eagles live in eagle's nest.
Perfect. Very good. Swallow. Stand up, swallow. Right? Sing along. Fly, 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 fly like a swallow. Fly like a swallow. Fly, 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 fly like a swallow. There we go. So, where do swallows live?
Swallow nest.
In swallow's nest. In swallow's nest. Thank you, Athena.
Thank you.
Very good. Next is eagle. Okay, say fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. There we go. Eagle is coming here. Yes. So tell me, where do eagles live? Eagles live in eagle's nest. Excellent, Joanna. Next is, last but not the least, robin. Say it together, guys. Say fly, 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 fly like a robin. Fly like a robin. Say fly, 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 fly like a robin. Very good, Apple. Where do robins live? Very good. Robins live in robin's nest. Next is Jeff, Jerry, Ben, and William will get cards.
Robin, eagle, swallow, hummingbird.
We are happy students.